region of Pakistan, produced.
And that is indeed the message for the day. It is not that our deepest fear as women is that we are inadequate. It is the power, the immense power that most frightens us. We are powerful beyond measure. It is our light and not our darkness that makes us afraid. We ask ourselves, who am I to be so brilliant, so gorgeous, and so fabulous? But we have amongst us this young star who is not afraid to be brilliant. She has indeed set a world record by being the youngest successful GCE O-Levels student at the tender age of 11 only. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Sitara Baruj Akbar. Assalamu alaikum Sitara, and a very, very heartiest congratulations to you. मुझे ये बताइए कि what was your feeling like? When did you know that you want to do this? Because it must have been hard for you, right?
Well, every success begins with a failure, and my failure was that I couldn't go on with my classmates in my class. And that was the time that I realized that we live our lives in chains, but never realized that we have the key to it ourselves. And then I found my key and gave my O-Levels.
You're so inspiring, but tell me something. Whenever a girl is so brilliant and she's different, how do you gel with your friends? Do your friends think that you're so smart that they don't want to be with you?
No, it's just that we're all equal. All children are gifted. Some just open their packages earlier than others.
Wonderful. What a pocket rocket this one is. We wish you the very best of luck, and now she's preparing for her A-Levels, and that indeed is going to be another record if she achieves it, and we wish you all the best in doing that, Sitara.
Thank you.
Good luck.
सकें और ख़ास तौर पे जो बच्ची सितारा यहाँ पर आई, मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि इंशाअल्लाह, क्योंकि उनमें बहुत ज़्यादा रोशनी की उम्मीद जो मुझे नज़र आई कि एक दिन शायद वो स्पीकर की कुर्सी पे बैठी नज़र आई. I thank you all. Pakistan Zindabad.
छूले आसमां, अब छुए आसमां, छूले आसमां.